You can see. Why did I bother doing my hair today? And yeah, that's mascara that's now running down my face. This would be why. Yeah. So that's fun. Supposedly this is like some kind of tropical storm that has somehow made its way all the way up to Utah, which is kind of freaking ridiculous. But yeah. Yeah, so the cat is panicking. Right, Gio? Are you freaking out? Huh? You freaking out? He's never seen a storm like this before. This is his little kitty house. The cats get to go. Oh dear. Looks like we have a visitor. Seriously? No wonder the cats can't go in there. Sounded like a chicken was crowing over here, but it's just the water hitting stuff, I guess. Can we move these chairs somewhere or what? Or should we just leave them?
No, we probably ought to.
You a little bit wet?
It's coming down.
Oh my gosh. Glad I got back inside when I did.
Yeah, you look like me.
Yeah, well, look what I look like. I just did my hair. Rude. I was literally just out there. That's where Dave was too, trying to feed the chickens and get the eggs. I got like 23 eggs today. So I guess that's good. But yeah, I'm glad I got back in before this happened.
The rain started!
It did?
Yeah.
The storm is here.
Can't see the mountains.
You can't see them because of the rain, huh?
It's really hard.
Is it really hard?
The rain's going faster. The rain coming. Oh my gosh, it's sunny, but really rain.
What, you're gonna go out in that?
Oh, okay. If you're upstairs, you can hear it. It's really loud.
Yeah.
Super, super loud. Dad was outside, and then it started getting really bad, and then he got soaked, and when he came in, he was dripping.
Mm-hmm.
Yup! His forehead!
Yeah.
I just hear the storm! That RC car is ruined. Nothing can get ruined. Like, so, if it... Nothing can get ruined. So, if it floods. Like bang, 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 bang! It's getting bigger drops now, but not as fast. Let's see how long we can stand today. They're everywhere. Danielle, let's see how long. Challenge. Let's see how long we can stand in this rain. Promise we're out. Yeah, let's go. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I need to put the left foot. There was lightning! My coat is double layered. I'll be fine. I think it's too scary. Be faster, guys. My car is blowing away.
Virginia wins. I'm sure you could, but I'm cold. I'm going inside.
But then far away.
And you can see him now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's Utah for you. Basically, wait 5 minutes and the weather will change. We were kind of disappointed because we thought it was supposed to be like a hurricane or something, and it just, I mean, it was crazy for about 5 minutes.
My mountain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta go. Time for me to go to dance.
Are we taking the van?
You are, but you're not leaving yet.
My pants are falling off.
Okay, go in the house. What?
My dress is really white.
Yeah. Today kind of sucks. We weren't going to go to ballet today because they were having Nutcracker soldier try-on costumey fitting things. So we were just doing whatever and we weren't getting ready, and then all of a sudden I checked the schedule and it said that the costume fittings weren't till the 24th, even though I particularly put them into my calendar by clicking on the link for the adding it to Google, and in my Google calendar it says it was today. So then I make these kids get all ready for ballet and jazz.
I don't have ballet.
For ballet. And we just got a text from the studio just now, as we're walking out, after we finished hair, after we fought over every pickety thing and get out of here fast enough, that there's no power in the ballet studio and ballet classes have been canceled. They're still having
What about jazz?
jazz class
How?
in the other studio.
Doesn't make sense.
I know, but
If the power is out, then
it's only out in one studio. Studio B.
they can just move ballet class over to the other class. Because jazz is after.
They can't because
But
they
the
have
big
advanced
class,
jazz.
yeah.
They have advanced jazz in there right now. So now we don't even have to be there for another hour. Now what do we do?
Chill home.
I think I should just switch cars.
Oh. Good transition with the messy car. Sorry, guys.
What is on my face?
What?
Oh. When I woke up this morning, I had a feeling I shouldn't vlog today. And I tried really hard not to. And then the rainstorm happened, and so we picked up the camera. And now I don't even know if I want to use any of this footage.
Mommy, look. Look. That should be the intro. Like where we have one.
Yeah, it does.
The ballet teachers.
That last one was good, but I couldn't see you. It's okay. Oh. Hair will be like that for Nutcracker.
Really?
Well, you're gonna have a bun right here on the top of your head,
Will it be like this poofy?
but it won't be that poofy. We can't have it that
Our
poofy.
doll's hair is thicker.
But we could do your hair like that. I mean, why not?
I was doing a ponytail and then I did like the folded ponytail.
Mm-hmm.
And then I decided to pin the parts that weren't in it. And
Well, it looks really cute. I like
I
it.
did the ponytail on top.
So how was class?
Good.
I didn't watch that much. I'm sorry. I was too busy talking like usual.
Mom, how did they get the garage door open?
I don't know.
That high.
I don't know. I've never been able to get it to open more than 3 inches, so I don't know.
I've never seen
Okay,
that.
I'm a little chicken nugget. I'm the one in the middle.
Yep, it's open. I don't know. All right, should we go?
Sure, I'm gonna start.
That was kind of amazing.
Right? Hey guys, I'm just sitting here editing and I realized we didn't close out the vlog. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that crazy rainstorm that we had today. It was a little bit insane, and apparently it was not the hurricane winds or whatever, the tropical storm that's supposed to come through here. That's actually supposed to get worse through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we shall probably see a lot more rain in the vlogs to come, and I hope that we make it through these few days. We found out some fun news today that Finneas will get to be an extra on Friday and Saturday, so we're excited. I'm looking forward to that. And that's pretty much all we have for you guys today. So bye, Seekers. Find us later.
Hide and seek!